Hello folks, so in this video I will be explaining how you can purge OIM cache. So like if you are working with some jar files getting some sort of issues, or there could be a number of issues, that time you feel a requirement to drop down the OIM cache you want to drop. That is called purge operation, right? So how you can perform OIM cache purge, right? So in order to do so, there is a utility given called purge cache utility by Oracle Identity Manager, and by using that you can simply achieve this. So where is that utility? You have to go in the item home, and in the item home there could be server and bin. Okay, so item server bin location, you will see there is a utility in the window bat, and in Linux we have sh. So if you try to run, right, see, for example, you will see an error. For example, you need to pass an argument called all, right, in order to do so. So even you pass the argument, for example, there could be different arguments, but in order to drop it, we pass an argument all. So in order to, when you are going to do this, they will ask you some other things. For example, you have to provide some domain home servers and all, so that you need to export first. And also make sure your WebLogic, OIM, all the servers you can see are up and running. I will show you. See, this is everything is up and running. I'm reloading. Yeah, you can see, right? So this is my blog. You can follow idemlearning.in. There I post my thoughts and ideas. Definitely it will help you out and help my other candidates as well. So simple, right? You have to just simply copy these commands. Already I had copied to my notepad. I will see, this is the notepad. Actually I written the blog here from from my note. So simply you just need to copy from here, and that's it. Just go and first set the environment variables before running this command. Okay, so this is mandatory actually. So right click, paste. One second, it is not copied properly. Let me copy. Okay, so you have to right click, paste, and that's it. Hit enter, and your environment variable is set. When your environment variable is set, that's it. You just simply need to run this purge utility. I had not mentioned here, obviously I will change in my blog. Let me change it now. Okay guys, so I had mentioned here, you can see you have to run purge utility from here. So I am simply now going to run the purge utility, and that's it, right? It's already been set. Now it will ask you the admin name. Enter the admin username. So it's Zilsys ADM is the username, and Oracle whatever 123 whatever is your password. So I think I have to mention this step also. It will simply, let me copy this and we'll quickly mention there. Okay, I had changed. Let me reload quickly. Yep, you can see I had changed. So it could be your password, whatever is the password. So in my virtual machines which we prepare, we just try to put the same password in all the places. Okay, so let me go there now. Okay, so here you have to provide the URL. And what is the URL? It could be your server. Here your IP address will be there, server's IP address, on which IP your OIM is configured. So in my case, my IP is configured on KTPort.com. In the host name, see here you have to provide the host name, and port number is 14,000. That will be probably common for everybody, and that's it. You see, just ignore this is just for a jar file. It's asking here, you have to see this. So you see, purge cache login is success. Okay, and purging the cache category all is successful. So you see, we have successfully purged our OIM cache. Okay, so this is how guys you can purge your OIM cache. I hope it is clear and making some sense to you. Very simple, straightforward. Just follow this article which I have written, and you will able to do so, right? That's it. Thank you so much. And if you have any query and question related to Oracle Identity Manager, you can write me at support@.